In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to update the AirPods 4. So let's get right into the video, guys. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that the Apple device that you have your AirPods 4 connected to is on the latest software update. So to do that on the iPhone, all you need to do is go to settings, and then inside settings, go to general. And then in general, go to software update, and then right here it will tell you if you're on the latest software update or not. You can always do a refresh for it to check for the update real quick, but if it needs to be updated, it will tell you right away. So go ahead and do that software update before you go to update your AirPods 4. So once you check and make sure that the software is up to date, go ahead and go to your web browser and go to this website right here. I'll try to link it down below in the description, and then you want to scroll down to the latest firmware, and right here you'll see that the AirPods 4 is on firmware 7B20. That's the latest firmware, and then you can keep this window open, and then what you want to do now is connect your AirPods 4 to your iPhone. So usually how I connect my AirPods 4, I just open it, slide down, go to my sound, and then click on my AirPods, and right away it's connected. And then I can go to settings, and then inside settings, I can go back out of this. I could see my AirPods 4 settings. I click on it, and then what I would do is just scroll all the way down, and then I will just compare the version right here. So as you can see, I'm on the firmware 7B20, and I will just go ahead and compare to the latest firmware, which is also 7B20. So I don't need to update my AirPods because I'm on the latest firmware update already. But if you're not on the latest firmware update, all you need to do is make sure that your AirPods 4 is connected to your iPhone, and make sure that it is in close proximity, and make sure the case is like closed with the AirPods in, and make sure that it is in close proximity, and then just give it a couple minutes for it to update automatically. There's not like a manual way for you to update this. You just have to make sure that it is in close proximity to your iPhone, and once it's in close proximity to your iPhone, just give it a couple minutes and it will update automatically. Some people also say that if you like listen to music for a couple minutes and then put back your AirPods in your case, it will also update automatically right away. So that's how you update the AirPods 4. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have another method that you use to update your AirPods 4. I hope in the near future Apple will give us the option to like click a button to update our AirPods 4 right away instead of waiting for it to update automatically. But that's been it for this video, guys. Please give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of December. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Somewhere on screen is a video on how to update the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and click on that video. Also guys, go ahead and subscribe because we do a lot of videos on the AirPods firmware update whenever they come out. So we do like a little review. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Peace.